What up, everybody? It is Monday night. School tomorrow, doing it right. Sitting at home, doing homework. Essay due tomorrow, gots to jerk. Let's see, if the camera's on me, I would have started jerking, you know? How do you do that? Like that. But I heard the beat from my room telling me I got chicken. Oh man, I like chicken. Well, I usually don't like chicken, but this chicken was really good. I got 3 different flavors, 2 of each, and it's just gonna be good. And yep, need to write some essays, so I'll do that. And I am gonna drink some Fresca. So yep, cuckoo.
You guys are going to Taco today. I want tacos.
That's Rachel. Sometimes she smells bad, but she's still nice. We overlook her scent because she's our friend.
Kind of orange sometimes too.
Bitch.
Kira is beautiful and she doesn't smell bad.
And apparently I have nice boobs. Just kidding.
She does.
Hi, Kyle.
Ew. Hi, Kyle. You want to hold my hand? Are you balding?
Huh?
Are you balding?
I just feel like my hair's really thin.
Oh. Oh, you can like see your head through it and stuff? It's a girl. Wait, no. It's a...
I want to see what I look like.
Dude, no, sing me your hit single, Una Hikamaru ga. Dude, that's a good. So today is day number 2 of minimum day week, but it's not super minimum. We get out at like 1:20. People chilling. Oh my god, it's shaky cam. Chilling, doing their own stuff. I just graded a bunch of homework assignments while everyone else was having fun. No big deal. This is Forest Fatenhauer. Rocking to some cool jams. Everyone else having fun, chilling. Yeah, yeah.
Hey, Justin.
Yeah?
How you doing?
Okay.
Hey, sexy.
Hey, I just braided Justin's hair and then it looked really nice.
How'd you feel about that? Okay.
I felt yes.
Hey. Sorry, I kind of panned to your boobs.
Apparently they're popular shopping today, so.
There's Kathy
Look at her
working
so
studiously.
Gosh, Kathy.
Hottie right here. Lauren. Hottie number 2 right here.
I made that up. She's my baby. Sorry.
Hey, yo.
Can you answer something for me? Ah, yeah. Hey.
How are your stuff?
No crabby hands today.
Jake, did you do anything exciting today?
Not one thing, no.
Show him our pictures. Show him our pictures.
Oh, here we go.
Our cool guy pictures.
I'll show you the pictures. Here.
But
Here's Justin's hair.
we're looking through 2 screens.
Oh
Justin's hair. More of Justin. It's Coachella.
I was talking about our drawings.
Oh, our drawings.
Yeah,
Oh, our drawings, Danielle.
Look at our drawings. You have drawings? Danielle's billing.
Where's my duster?
We don't have any classes with her anymore, but she's super awesome.
And just so you know, it's not Miguel's notebook.
Not Miguel's notebook.
It's mine. And I just wanted people to know.
Why is it called Miguel's notebook?
Does not.
Danielle, what is that?
Hey, look at this one. I like this one.
I love this.
Look at
That
that.
was cute. And the
Artwork by
ducks.
Kira.
They're Siamese quintuplets. They're upside down. And
That thing is repulsive.
we love Kira.
No, but it's good. It's repulsive, but in a good way.
I love it. And that one.
Oh my gosh, is that a butt? That is a butt face.
Oh, and look.
Oh my gosh.
Nathan Shore.
That's Nathan.
Right here.
Yeah. That's a quote from my mom. thought it was a spider.
That was a spider?
Yeah. She thought it was a spider. And she's like, oh, it's a weird spider. It's albino. Oh, it's not a spider. It's just lint. It's fine. So, yay, it's last day of school. Yeah. It's last day of school.
No, it's not. That's a lie.
You are a late
So it's short and steep. Into a turn. That's a big hill. And he just went weird. I just... Is that yours? Yeah, it's mine. I was just like going though. Like, I'm not used to this. I'm not used to this. I was so...
Making food for the potluck tomorrow. It smells really good. Better tastes good too. And there's the rice. I'm just gonna dump this all into here and then add some other stuff to it. Hopefully it will be good. Finished product. I don't know if the camera can see it, but it's like glossy and delicious. Hopefully it's delicious.